welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to set up multiple accounts on Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly we are going to start menu, search settings, click on settings, then you are going to accounts. Here we will see family, manage your family group, edit account type and device permission or other users. Thus both options are important for this video. So just I'm going to other users, click on add account, add just a moment. So if you have the person sign in information, just type and click on next. If you don't have the person sign in information, just click on I don't have this person sign in information. So after clicking on that, you will be enter the next screen. Here you will see create account, create a new email address and add a user without a Microsoft account. So I will be choose add a user without Microsoft account. So simply click type the username. So for example, I will create with random person name Robert. You will type either your name or the person you are giving access the account. So if you want it secure, create a password. So if you don't want to secure, just leave it blank. So click on next, the account will be created. So how to you can switch between accounts? Just click on start menu, click on the profile, click on three dots. Here you will see all the users. Just simply click on there or a shortcut key, Control Alt Delete and choose switch user. So if this user was a administrator, just we are click on the icon and here you will see account option and account and data. If you remove the user, just click on remove. I will show you. So firstly we are go through account options. Just change account type. If the person was standard user, means you are not giving any additional access to the user, just go with standard user. If the user was administrator, you can full access to the system, click on there and select administrator and then okay. So then now user will be administrator. If you delete the user, just click on remove. Deleting this person, this prompt will come, delete account and data. All the account and the data will be deleted. So that's it. So if you like this video, press the like button, click to press subscribe for more tech related videos and enable bell icon for more simple easiest tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.